Are you always on the hunt for new vegan products? Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just curious about incorporating more plant-based options into your life, Amazon offers a treasure trove of products that might pique your interest. In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 vegan items available on Amazon that you might not have known about. So, let's dive in and explore these hidden gems. Annie's homegrown organic and vegan Worcestershire sauce is a game-changer for vegans and vegetarians who love to cook. This plant-based version of the classic Worcestershire sauce is made without the anchovies typically found in traditional recipes. The authentic taste and versatility of this vegan Worcestershire sauce have won over many Amazon customers, who say they can't even tell the difference between this and the non-vegan version. Use it in marinades, dressings, and sauces to add a savory depth of flavor to your favorite dishes. If you're always on the go and need a tasty protein-packed snack, look no further than no-cow protein bars. These plant-based dairy-free protein bars come in a variety of delicious flavors like peanut butter chocolate chip and lemon meringue pie. Unlike many protein bars on the market that contain whey protein derived from milk, no-cow bars use a blend of brown rice and pea protein, making them a surprisingly vegan option. Amazon customers rave about the taste, texture, and nutritional profile of these bars, calling them the perfect alternative to traditional protein bars containing dairy. Snack time just got a whole lot better with Earth Balance Vegan Cheddar Flavor Squares. These vegan alternatives to popular cheese-flavored crackers use plant-based ingredients to mimic the taste of cheddar cheese. Perfect for snacking or including in a vegan cheese platter for parties and gatherings, these crackers have received high praise from Amazon customers for their authentic cheddar flavor and satisfying crunch. Many consider them a staple in their vegan pantry. Craving something salty and savory? Louisville Vegan Jerky has got you covered. This plant-based alternative to traditional beef jerky is made from textured soy protein, and comes in a variety of mouth-watering flavors like smoky Carolina barbecue and maple bacon. Not only is it high in protein, but it also offers a similar taste and texture to meat-based jerky, making it an ideal snack for vegans, vegetarians, or anyone looking to reduce their meat consumption. Amazon customers can't get enough of Louisville Vegan Jerky, with some reviewers calling it the best vegan jerky they've ever tried. Last but not least, we have Nugo Slim Vegan Protein Bars. These low-sugar, gluten-free, and vegan protein bars come in scrumptious flavors such as crunchy peanut butter and chocolate brownie. Made with plant-based ingredients like soy protein and brown rice syrup, these bars are a surprisingly vegan alternative to many protein bars that contain animal-derived ingredients like milk or honey. Amazon customers enjoy the taste, texture, and nutritional profile of Nugo Slim Vegan Protein Bars, deeming them a satisfying and healthy option for those following a vegan or gluten-free diet. There you have it, 5 surprisingly vegan products you can find on Amazon that are worth trying out. From vegan Worcestershire sauce to plant-based jerky, these items prove that living a vegan lifestyle doesn't mean sacrificing taste or convenience. By exploring and supporting vegan products on Amazon, you contribute to a more ethical and sustainable marketplace, promoting a better future for our planet, its inhabitants, and your own well-being. Who knows? Your next favorite vegan product might be just a click away. So go ahead, give these products a try, and you might just discover a new vegan favorite. Remember, every small step towards a more plant-based lifestyle can have a big impact. Happy shopping! Get your copy of 5-minute vegan recipes by clicking the link in the description now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our video. Despite the growing interest in veganism, there are still many myths and misconceptions surrounding vegan food. In this video, we'll debunk 10 common myths.